You are working 8 hours on content, but only 20% of it is actually growing your page. The 80 over 20 concept might be the reason your content isn't moving. Stop creating more, start creating smarter. Let's talk about the 80 over 20 concept in content creation, also known as the Pareto principle, introduced by Wilfredo Pareto. The principle states 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Now, apply that to the content creation. It would mean 20% of your posts bring 80% of your engagement. 20% of your audience generates 80% of your interactions. 20% of your strategies drive 80% of your progress. But here's the mistake many creators make. They are spending 80% of their time designing fancy templates, following every trend or trending content, over editing, posting randomly, instead of focusing on the 20% that truly moves your content. You must do this. Solving audience problems. That's number 1. Number 2, strong hooks. Number 3, clear value. Number 4, engaging call to action or CTA. And number 5, studying insights. If you look at your content analytics right now, you will probably notice something. A small percentage of your posts consistently perform excellently. The smart move: don't just celebrate, study them. Ask what topic was it, what format, what hook, what pain point did it solve, or what emotional connection. Then repeat and refine. The 80 over 20% concept teaches us progress is not about doing more. It is about identifying what works and doubling down on it. Work smart, not just consistent, but strategic.